Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to upload files to Google Drive on your PC. Whether it's a document, photo, or video, we'll cover it all. Let's dive right in. First, let's open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Just type in drive.google.com in the search bar and hit enter. Make sure you're logged in into your Google account. If not, go ahead and log in now. Once you're in, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard. It's where all your files and folders are stored. To upload a file, simply click on the plus new button in the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Now, click on File Upload. This will open your File Explorer. From here, find the file you want to upload, select it, and hit Open. Your file will now begin uploading. You'll see a progress bar in the bottom right corner. Depending on the file size, it may take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the upload is complete, your file will appear in your drive. You can organize it by moving it into a folder or renaming it if you like. To rename a file, simply right-click it, then select Rename from the options. Want to upload an entire folder? No problem. Just click the New button again and select Folder Upload. Then pick the folder you want to upload, and that's it. You can always double-check that your files have uploaded successfully by clicking on them. This will open a preview, or you can download them back to your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to upload files and folders to Google Drive using your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.